What else can I call it? What more need be said? The damage, the destruction. You saw it with your own eyes. When will people wake up and realize that everywhere Spider-Man goes, chaos and calamity ensue? Everything Spider-Man touches comes to ruin. And we, the innocents, are left to pick up the pieces.
It's all my fault. Even after she was hurt, she said to me that we did the right thing.
You have a gift. You have power.
Even though sometimes we have to be steady and give up the thing we want the most.
I will never forget these words. With great power comes great responsibility.